Today's topic is MARPOL Annex 6, which is Prevention of Air Pollution from Ships. MARPOL Annex 6, it applies to all ships and regulates air emissions to reduce environmental and human health impact. The number one requirement of this is sulfur oxide, which also known as SOx or SOx, and fuel standards. The global sulfur content in maritime fuel must not exceed 0.50% since January 1st, 2020. Emission control areas or ECAs have stricter limits 0.10% sulfur content. Ships may use alternative compliance methods like exhaust gas cleaning systems or scrubbers to reduce the sulfur oxide emissions. The number 2 regulation is nitrogen oxides or NOx. Emission limits ships must comply with NOx or nitrogen oxides limits based on engine size and age. The Tier 1, older engines lenient limits. The Tier 2 is stricter limits for ships built after 2011. The Tier 3 is most stringent limits on nitrogen oxides emissions control areas. This is the 3 requirements. Emission control areas or ECAs. Certain areas have stricter emissions regulations for sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxides. These include the Baltic Sea, the North Sea, and the North American Emission Control Area, covering the US and Canada. The following pictures or images is the image of emission control areas. This is the 4th requirements or ozone depleting substances. Prohibits the release of ODS from ship equipment. New ships must use environmentally friendly refrigerants. The 5th requirement is energy efficiency measures. To reduce greenhouse gas or GHG emissions, ships must comply with Energy Efficiency Design Index or EEDI, mandatory from new ships to ensure fuel efficiency. Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan or SEEMP required for all ships above 400 gross tonnage to improve energy use. This is the 6th requirement, Carbon Intensity Indicator or CII and Efficiency Index. CII ships must reduce the carbon dioxide emissions per unit of transport work. EEXI applies to existing ships to meet minimum energy efficiency standards. The 7th requirement is Port State Control or PSC. Inspections authorities can inspect ships for compliance with fuel regulations, emissions limits, and energy efficiency plans. Non-compliance can result in penalties or detentions. Both MARPOL Annex 5 and Annex 6 plays crucial roles in reducing fuel pollution from ship. Compliance with Annex 5 ensures proper waste management and minimizes marine pollution, while Annex 6 focuses on reducing air emissions and improving fuel efficiency. Strict enforcement of these regulations helps protect marine ecosystems and improve global air quality.
Thanks for watching.